I want my chin to go back.
Three!
Okay, I had it. Give me my. I'm very against the chin. Okay.
Three.
Ow, my chin! Ow! I get this nerve so hot.
On three.
I have a throat for my chin. My chin.
Okay, on three. 1, 2, get it fucking down.
Now it burns.
On three.
It's burning.
Three. Is it 3?
Oh, you can't do it. My poor chin is so hot. Oh.
3.
Do you want that?
Get it in. So bend the other way, you monkey.
What do you mean?
This way.
It's normal drinking.
Yeah, but with your mouth over here. You fuck off there.
No drink, you go in like that though.
Yeah, can if you get your chin over it.
I'm so confused. They're gone because you pour towards your mouth.
Yeah, no.
And
Yes, your mouth should be here.
Yeah. Okay. And you pour it away from your mouth. I want to pour it the other way. That way. No.
Oh, into your cough.
Yes, into my cough.
No, your mouth is open.
Ow! My belly. Okay, hang on. So I'm pouring the other way. I can't. It just doesn't make any sense. No sense at all. It doesn't make no sense. I'm going to cheers off that.
See me here, couple. No.
I got 2. She's laughing.